Guys, today I'm taking a look at this very cool wireless stereo amplifier from Arylic. Now, why should you be interested in this? Well, find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the B50SE wireless amplifier from Arylic. Now, if you don't know Arylic, well, they make a ton of different audio equipment, and I've got to say, I've reviewed some of their previous devices and I've been nothing less than impressed. Now, before we get into it, Arylic sent me this B50SE to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. Open up the box and we've got some instructions. We've also got a card that talks about the app. Yes, of course there's an app. This app is available on iOS and Android. And then guys, we have a box that contains an aerial to ensure optimum wireless connectivity, a remote control which is pretty handy, and of course the power brick and cable. On the front you've got the IR receiver, you've got a bunch of LEDs to indicate Bluetooth connectivity, line in, optical USB, or even a DAC. And last of all, you've got the volume control, and it's nice and clicky. On the back guys, you have all of your connection options. You've got your DC power in, you've got stereo speaker outputs, you've got stereo line in, which you can connect to a streamer or an old school CD player or maybe a gaming console. In fact, you can connect pretty much anything that needs amplification. And you have a subwoofer out, which is pretty neat if you're watching movies through this. And you have an optical in. So again, any device that has optical out can be connected straight to the optical in. You also have a USB-A connection, which you can connect a memory stick to with music on it maybe. And you've got a USB-C connection for a DAC if you have one, or even maybe you might want to connect a laptop to it. And you also have that aerial port, which is ensuring that Bluetooth connectivity is good. But guys, point to note, with the Bluetooth on this SE, all you get is the ability to connect devices to it, right? So unlike the B50, which is the kind of big brother to this, where you can actually pair earbuds and headphones, etc. to it, the SE is only for receiving Bluetooth. And guys, lastly, you have a reset button. So you know what guys, quite a lot going on here. So I mentioned that Arylic has a B50 streamer, right? That's the big brother. The B50SE, which is this one, it's kind of like a cut down version of that, but at a much more affordable price. There is no doubt why there are some features from the B50 that are not present on the B50SE, but you know what? I'm kind of okay with that. The B50 was around £140, and this B50SE, it's only £90. And you know what? That's a lot of device for not much money at all. Now, I hooked this up to my phone to get an idea of sound and function, and I got to say, I was pretty impressed. Sure, you're relying on Bluetooth, but you know what? Bluetooth audio these days isn't bad at all. And after all, I'm an iPhone user, so you know what? No LDAC or high res for me. Now, taking a look at the app guys, and this really brings a ton of functionality to this amp. Download it from the Play Store or the iOS App Store, and once in, you'll be asked to register an account and sign in. Bluetooth will then find your B50SE, and you know what? You're off to the races. You have a cool control interface. And you know what? From here, you can see what device you're connected to and how. You also have playback controls and volume. Scrolling down the interface, you have your basic sound settings, so treble, mid, bass, balance, and crossover and deep bass settings for a subwoofer, and you can also switch to EQ settings, and you can either pick a preset one or you can create and name a custom one for yourself. So you know what, it's pretty comprehensive. Now moving up to the settings cog, and you've got your user info, you've got the ability to turn on and off the LED indicators. You can set your phono stage to moving magnet or moving cartridge. Yeah, I mean, you vinyl guys will know all about that, right? But I'm not sure why it's on this app for the B50SE, as there is no phono stage on this bad boy, unlike the full B50. So I guess, you know what, it's a generic app for both pieces of equipment. And this is also the same for ARC standby, so you haven't got any of that on the SE. Now, you can also disconnect the lighting from light to dark in the app, so you can choose a light mode, dark mode, which is pretty common in a lot of apps now. And you know what, you can also choose a bit of a color scheme should you want to do that. Now guys, sound wise, well, all the sound was pretty good. Of course, you're always going to be limited to what you're pushing to it and whether you're using wired or wireless connectivity, but you know what, for the best part, it was pretty good. Remember, this isn't an £8,000 amplifier. I've got one of those. This is a £90 amplifier, and for that, it's pretty good and it's pretty compact, right? So guys, there you have it. This Arylic B50SE wireless amplifier pretty much does what it says on the tin. With a whole bunch of connections, you will level up your audio from any device. It's compact, it sounds good, and whether you control it with the included remote control or the phone app, you will easily get the best out of it. And like I said, for £90, it's a very nice upgrade for not a lot of money. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Arylic for sending me this very cool wireless amp to review. Guys, I am Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.